Hello, I'm Ian Matthew, Technical Marketing Manager for Autodesk Oil and Gas Solutions. Welcome to the Autodesk AutoCAD Plant 3D, the latest release of Autodesk's award-winning application for the design of process plant facilities. AutoCAD Plant 3D includes the tools and features that designers need to create detailed plant models, including piping, structures and equipment. Using spec-driven technology and standard parts catalogs, designers can streamline the placement of piping, equipment, support structures, and other plant components. Additionally, anything you model in AutoCAD can be referenced into the Plant 3D model in order to create a complete digital representation of your facility. In addition to modeling, with AutoCAD Plant 3D you can generate construction documents from the model, including isometric drawings and bills of materials. You can also generate plans, sections, and other orthographic drawings from the model. These orthographics can then be annotated with model data and, of course, dimensioned with real-world dimensions. Additionally, you can review the model and check for interferences using Autodesk Navisworks Manage. This set of videos will go over each of these areas. The videos are intended to provide you with a basic understanding of how to use the Plant 3D application. While the videos are not intended to replace training, they do provide a quick way to get started with the basics of AutoCAD Plant 3D. The videos I referred to can be found here. Thank you for watching.